stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list. Rascal does not dream of Bunny Girl Senpai movie. So this movie's story takes place after the series. So if you haven't watched the series yet, the series story goes something like this. So in this series, few teenagers are suffering from a syndrome called puberty syndrome. So this syndrome's name sound kind of funny, but it's kind of serious thing, where few teenagers affected by it got some supernatural problems to deal with. So in this story, our main character has a problem like this. So someone helped our main character. Because of that, now he is trying to help others. So in the story, he helped few girls with their syndromes, but we never get to know more about our hero's syndrome, and it's not cured in the series. So now in this movie, it's all about our hero's syndrome, how he got it, and now how he gonna escape it. So yeah, it's a really good one. The series was really good too, and the movie is awesome too. So if you like the series, you're gonna definitely enjoy the movie too. But if you are new to this series, then you should definitely watch the anime first, then movie. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Just Because. So starting in this anime, our hero came back to his hometown again and started attending the high school there. So our hero used to live in the city before his parents got transferred. So now he is back and he meets one of his best friend in the school again. And other than that, our hero used to love a girl in his childhood and he meets that girl in this high school again. And he found out that his feelings for that girl haven't gone yet. So now our hero is still trying to get close to that girl. But in the meanwhile, our other heroine have kind of fallen for our hero. So other than our hero's relationship in this anime, you will able to see our hero's best friend's relationship too. But as for them, they don't really have much time left in the school. So they are in third year, so they're gonna graduate soon. So after graduation, they might not see each other ever again. So whatever our main character does, he have to do it first. So it's a good romance anime, you could try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is High Score Girl. So this anime story take place in 90s, where our main character is a high school student and he really likes to play arcade games. So one day our main character saw a girl from his class playing an arcade game. So that girl, our heroine in this anime, she is from a rich, prestigious family and she is really good at everything at school. So our hero never really thought that type of girl would ever play arcade games. But our heroine in this anime, she is super good at arcade games too, and she really likes to play these games. But because of her strict family, she can't really do that. After finding that out, our hero tried to help her any way he can. So that's how they became involved with each other. And little by little, they gonna grow closer in a romantic way. So what gonna happen between them? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Gamers. So in this anime story, our hero, he is just a normal student who likes to play games. So his school life was going kinda normally until he meets our heroine. So our heroine in this anime, she is the most beautiful and the perfect girl in her school. In a way, she is the school idol. So one day, she came face to face with our main character, and with that, everyone was super surprised, especially our main character. So the most beautiful girl in the school standing in front of him, most of the guys in the school have crushed toward her and lot of girls are jealous of her. So our hero is really confused what gonna happen. A really unexpected thing happened. So she found out that our main character likes to play game. So that's why she wants our main character to join their gaming club. As for our main character, he doesn't really want to. He wants to play game alone. So now, what gonna happen between them? Between an average guy and a really good looking girl? For to know that, you have to watch the anime. Things gonna happen, sometime comedic, sometime romantic. Yeah, it's really good. Definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Wandering Sun. In this anime story, our kinda heroine, on her school, everyone talks about that she is the prettiest girl in the school. But as for her, she really is a boy. And on the other hand, our hero, he have a similar thing that everyone thinks he is a guy but he really is a girl. So now after finding out about each other, they became friends from childhood, started sharing lot of things between each other. So now starting in this anime, they gonna start attending a high school, started making new friends. So now how their appearance gonna make it difficult for them, how they gonna go through school, how they gonna face everyone. That's the story all about. So yeah, it's a really good one and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is After the Rain. So in this anime story, our heroine, she is a high school student and she is really good at sports, especially at running. So from childhood, she really likes to run. But in high school, something happened and after that, our heroine can't really participate in running anymore. Because of that, she used to be pretty sad about it all the time. But one day, she gone to a cafe. There she meets our hero in this anime. So he is a mature, married guy, manager of that cafe. So he saw our heroine is kinda sad. That's why he tried something to make her happy. Thing happened and our heroine fall for him. So after that, our heroine started working on that cafe to get close to him. So now what gonna happen in their kinda different relationship? So yeah, for that you have to watch the anime. So I really like this anime and I highly recommend this one. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.